Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help fix a broken zipper on a Nike Tech. First, carefully examine your zipper to pinpoint the exact issue. Is the slider stuck, are the teeth misaligned, or has the pull tab broken off? Understanding the problem is the crucial first step. You might need small pliers, a new zipper slider, or a replacement pull tab. Don't worry, most zipper fixes are quite straightforward and can be done with minimal tools. If your zipper teeth are separating or the slider feels loose, a simple adjustment can often help. Gently use a pair of pliers to slightly compress the slider's sides. This can tighten its grip on the teeth, allowing it to re-engage them properly. For completely separated teeth, slowly work the slider up and down to realign them. If the slider itself is damaged, you'll need to carefully remove it and slide on a new, appropriately sized replacement. Sometimes, the zipper pull breaks off, leaving the slider intact. You can easily attach a new pull by threading it through the small hole on the slider. A small key ring or even a sturdy piece of string can serve as a quick, temporary fix. If a bottom stopper is missing, preventing the zipper from closing fully, you can crimp a new metal stopper onto the zipper tape using pliers. Ensure it's securely fastened to prevent future issues. To keep your Nike Tech zipper running smoothly, regular maintenance is key. If it feels stiff, try lubricating it with a graphite pencil or a specialized zipper lubricant. Always remember to fully zip up your garment before washing it. This protects the zipper teeth from getting snagged or bent. Never force a stuck zipper, as this can easily break the slider or damage the teeth beyond repair. A little care goes a long way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.